In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw crypto from the platform Deepcoin. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Deepcoin, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the first link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. Then you will automatically participate in the best campaigns that are currently available. They can change over time. I can show you some examples here where you're able to get certain bonuses after depositing some funds, as well as some payback programs where you could also get an additional $100 bonus after a deposit. Or here is another one where you could get up to $500. So if you sign up with a link from the description, you will automatically be eligible for the best bonuses. And to create your account, simply enter your email address right here and set a password, and then you're ready to go. So to withdraw any crypto you have in your account right here, simply go here on the right side to withdraw, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. In my case, I'm going to choose USDT. Then I'm going to paste in here the address where I want to send the money. And down here, choose the network. Just make sure that you're using the same network as to the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money to. In my case, I'm going to choose the TRC20 network. Down here, I can enter the amount. I'm simply going to choose all. And then all I need to do is just click on withdraw down here, and the money will be withdrawn to your own wallet or other exchange where you want to send the money. It should only take a few minutes. And if you are also wondering how you can withdraw any fiat money, so if you want to withdraw it in euro, US dollars, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have, to your own bank account, I have a separate video on my channel, which is also linked down in the video description, where I explain you how to do that. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonuses possible by creating an account on Deepcoin with the first link down from the video description. And as always, if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.